Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss how to find the value of t. So here given thing y equal to fx equal to ax plus b divided by cx plus d. So we can write y equal to ax plus b cx plus d, or we can write fx equal to ax plus b cx plus d, or y equal to fx, and here x equal to f of fx. So in place of fx we can write this all. So here x equal to f, and going to write this all. So ax plus b cx plus d. Now x equal to f ax plus b cx plus d. So in place of x I'm going to write ax plus b cx plus d. So here a into ax plus b cx plus d. Now b, and hereafter same thing, c ax plus b cx plus d, and here d. Now x equal to a square x and ab divided by cx plus d b, and here acx plus bc, and cx plus d is d. Now hereafter going to take the LCM. So here it comes cx plus d a square x plus ab, and here I have taken the LCM. So b multiply with this all, so it become bcx and bd, and here the same thing, cx plus d, taken the LCM. Here acx just writing, and this all multiply with this. So here it become dcx and d square, cx plus d that cancel, and hereafter the value come a square x ab bc x, or here or db. Now here acx bc dc and d square. So here or dcx, don't do any mistake, d multiply with this d square. Now here after writing at this position, so x multiply with this all, x multiply with this all, cross multiplies that I'm doing. So x square, it become ac. Now bc multiply, so it become bcx, and here x multiplied, so x square dc, and here d square that multiply, so it become d square x. Here a square x ab bcx db. Is there anything going to cancel? bcx is there, so it cancel. Now hereafter this odd term going to make that on the left position. So x square term, x square just writing first, so x square, and here c is the common, so c taken, so it become ad is the common. Now hereafter d square x, so this is going to take on the left position. So here minus a square x minus ab minus db equal to 0. Now hereafter the next is, here you can see there is x common, so writing x square c a plus t. Now x common, so it become d square a square, here minus b common, so a plus t equal to 0. Now x square c a plus d, here you can see a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, so we can write d plus a, d minus a, minus d, here we can write a plus d or d plus a equal to 0. So in all, here you can see d plus a is the common, taken the common, so here it becomes x square c, here x equal to d minus a, and d plus here b equal to 0. Now making the relationship with this one 0 and this also with the 0. So here d plus a equal to 0 and x square c x d minus a minus b equal to 0. D equal to 0 minus a, d equal to minus a is the answer. So next, no need to calculate this one, directly I can find d equal to minus a. So if you want, then you can just calculate this quadratic equation, same the value d equal to minus a, that will come. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question, only you need to do the calculation. Okay, and there is only point x equal to f x plus d. So here fx, we need to write this all. So here writing fx value fx, so fx this all. After that f ax plus b cx plus d. So n x plus x position, we need to write this all. So writing a read right, and x this all, and here after b c, and here x position, writing this all, ax plus b cx plus d. After that calculating the equation, finally d equal to minus a, that come. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next week, thank you.